Mastering the basics. Play a chord in English. Hello, friends. Today we're diving into the musical phrase, play a chord. Whether you're a language enthusiast or a budding musician, this video is tuned to help you understand not just the phrase, but its context in the English language. Let's get started. Play a chord refers to the action of simultaneously playing a combination of notes that harmonically complement each other. But there's more to it than just a musical term. It's a perfect example of how English uses the verb play in the context of music, illustrating action and creation. When musicians play a chord, they press down on a stringed instrument's strings or hit several keys on a piano to produce a harmony. This action creates a full and rich sound that is fundamental to many pieces of music. It's a basic skill for guitarists, pianists, and other instrumentalists. Interestingly, play a chord can also strike a metaphorical note. In everyday conversation, it might mean to do something that elicits a strong emotional response, like, his speech played a chord with the audience. While we're not using phonetic symbols, remember that chord is pronounced just like chord. And play should be light and quick, much like the action it describes. Let's put it into practice. She learned to play a chord on her new guitar. The movie's theme played a chord with viewers worldwide. And that's a wrap on play a chord. Whether it's about striking strings or emotions, this phrase has a special place in English. We hope you found this video harmonious and helpful. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be playing chords both musically and linguistically with ease. Goodbye for now.